When your car won't start, it feels like everything comes to a stop. Maybe it's been sitting for weeks, the repair quote is too high, or the problems just keep coming back. But here's what most people don't realize. Your non-running car is not worthless. Even if it has engine failure, gearbox issues, electrical faults, or accident damage, it can still be worth something. And when repairs cost more than the car is worth, selling it often just makes more sense. With Brazen Auto, the process is simple. Submit your details, get an offer, accept it. We collect the car, and you get paid. No time wasters, no changing offers, no hidden fees, just a straightforward, reliable process. Your car may be broken, but it still has value. Get your free vehicle evaluation today with Brazen Auto.